This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Xbox controller to your Nintendo Switch. This setup enhances your gaming, offering familiar controls for many titles. You will need a specific third-party adapter, which bridges the communication between the two devices. This guide makes the process straightforward, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite games with your preferred controller. It's a simple way to expand your control options. To begin, gather a compatible USB wireless adapter, often available for around $20 to $30. Popular brands like 8BitDo or Mayflash make reliable options for this purpose. Also, make sure your Xbox controller has sufficient power, either with a full charge or new AA batteries. Finally, your Nintendo Switch console should be updated to its most recent system software for optimal compatibility, ensuring a smooth connection. First, plug the USB wireless adapter into an available USB port on your Nintendo Switch dock or into a USB-C hub if you are playing handheld. Next, press the small sync button on the adapter. It will usually start flashing to indicate it is searching for a device. Immediately after, hold down the pairing button on the top of your Xbox controller until the Xbox logo flashes rapidly. The adapter and controller should connect within a few seconds. Once paired, navigate your Nintendo Switch's home screen with the Xbox controller to confirm it is working correctly. If you experience any issues, first try repairing the adapter and controller from scratch, ensuring both enter pairing mode at the correct times. Also, verify that your controller has ample battery life and that the adapter is securely plugged in. Sometimes, simply restarting your Switch can resolve minor glitches, ensuring a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.